Hello, fellow art enthusiasts! Let's draw a cute girl together using simple yet impressive lines. Starting with the hat, draw a gently rounded hat shape on top of the girl's head. Next, draw the face with two cute little ears. You can draw two simple curves on both sides to make the ears look natural. Don't forget to add a few gentle curves for the bangs. The girl's hair will be more lively when you draw soft curls flowing down to her shoulders. The eyes are an important highlight. Create big and bright eyes with two small dots inside to create a sparkling effect. These eyes will make the face more attractive. Next, draw a gentle, bright smile. Next, draw the body. To make the girl look really cute, draw her wearing a pretty simple dress. On the outside, draw a light shirt over the dress, creating a lovely style. Add a small heart-shaped crossbody bag. This bag will be a cute accent, making her look stylish and adorable. Draw small hands for the girl. Finally, don't forget to draw the girl's legs. She can wear a pair of cute shoes with short socks. Create a gentle, relaxed leg pose to make her look natural and graceful. Let's add some color. Use a soft yellow for the hat. Choose a warm brown for the hair. Use natural skin color for the face. add a striking red for the heart-shaped bag. Choose a gentle blue for the outer jacket. Use a bright yellow for the dress. Color the socks with a cute pink. Choose a simple black for the shoes. There we have it. We've completed the drawing of a lovely girl. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to follow other interesting drawing videos.